What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. Welcome back to the channel, man. We got another beater box today. Actually, it's called a bento box from my boy Untied Hawaii. It's his version of a beater box. If you're unfamiliar with what a beater box is, it is a mystery box full of shoes. This is my first bento box from Untied. Went up on Twitter. I was just randomly on Twitter. I don't do Twitter a lot. I was just randomly on there seeing he had a drop. So I went ahead and cashed out. This box cost me 605 bucks shipped from Hawaii. I want to say it was $5.50 for the box, $55 shipping to Oklahoma from Hawaii. So that's not bad at all. Came really fast. He shipped the USPS priority. Came really fast. So it's a smaller box. I've seen these boxes before on YouTube from other people who have ordered from him, and they got hooked up with some cool stuff, so I figured I'd give it a shot. And I want to say the last person I watched with an Untied Hawaii mystery box was my boy Mitch, and it was a pretty good box too, so hopefully the luck continues. I'm sure it will. Untied is a real cool dude, so I'm sure he ain't out here trying to play nobody. Like I said, 605 bucks ships from Hawaii, and I've shipped things to Hawaii just because my little brother lived there, and the shipping to Hawaii is very expensive. So that was pretty good. All right, it's a little smaller than what we used to, but that's fine. Sometimes you get quality over quantity. I'll take it. Off top, I got two shoes without boxes. First up, I got a Nike Air Max, like an Air Max ID, size 11.5. These are pre-owned, very lightly used. Whoever designed this did pretty cool. I like the red hit on the back and the laces. Size 11.5 on these. All these will be up for sale. They should be up on the IG page. This box came in, I want to say the day before Thanksgiving. I'm just now getting to it. Holidays and everything like that. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. So I'm kind of late getting to the box, but finally got to it. Next up, without a box, I got a New Balance 247. I'm unfamiliar with these. They look to be dead stock though. And these are a size 13. I'm unfamiliar with them. I'm gonna have to do my research on these. New Balance 247. I like the color of them. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a first for me. I get to that box later. Dig these boxes out. All right, we got a Air Jordan 1 box. Box is a little beat up. Shoes are dead stock. Dead stock pair of, well, this one is laced up, but it still has the bag on it. The other one isn't laced up. Shadow 1, size, I can tell y'all the size. Size 13, size 14.5 in women's. So we got a Jordan 1 again. I know Mitch is probably watching this video cracking up. We've been both getting retro 1 shadows and mystery boxes for the last couple videos. So we got 2 pair left in the box. We got some off-whites, Zoom Fly Mercurials. We got the orange ones. I think I remember when he opened these on his channel, if I'm not mistaken. This is an off-white size 11, dead stock pair with the StockX tag. And got some StockX receipts. So, these are pretty dope. This is my first time having an off-white running shoe anyway. These are pretty dope. I like the little details with these off-white shoes. Size 11 on those. And last up in this box, so I got a total of 5 pair in this box. I don't know what this is. Now I know what it is. We got a size 11 Nike Air Presto acronym. I think I remember when he had got these too. These are dead stock, so I'm not gonna pull out both of them. These are dope. I might keep these. I'm not sure, man. I'm a big Presto guy. I'm a big Presto fan. Me going to the gym a lot, I wear a lot of running shoes. Either I might keep these or the off-whites. I'm not sure yet. I could use a new gym shoe. These are dope. Very dope. I think this is the best color out of the whole pack that had came out. I've seen a lot of people have them. I didn't get lucky, but now I did. So size 11, man. If I change my mind, both of these will be up for sale. I got more shoes coming in I had ordered. Being on Twitter at nighttime is dangerous, man, because they have those deals and you just can't pass up. Sneaker World on Twitter, and they start throwing up those Nike deals and stuff like that. 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm up shopping on Twitter. Never a good thing. Sometimes you make some bad choices at 2 o'clock in the morning on Twitter. But oh yeah, man, I hope y'all peeped the tea. I figured it was proper for this video. You know, I'm an Untied supporter since day one. So Untied, bro, if you watching these videos, man, if you still watching this video, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. You had did something for me a while ago on Twitter, put up a Bible verse that really helped me out. I was going through some stuff with family stuff, nothing too, well, it was kind of crazy, but you shot me a Bible verse. That Bible verse really helped me out. I want to say thank you for that. I know I ain't got your number, nothing like that to text you and tell you that, or call you and tell you. So if you watching these little videos I'm still doing, I appreciate that, man. That was big for me. It really did help me out. So thank you, man. All you guys who watching these videos, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that sub button. More beater boxes will be coming in soon. They took a week off this month, so that's another reason why I wanted to kind of hold off on opening this one, give me something to post. New boxes will be in soon. Everything that I have will be up for sale on the Instagram page. It should be linked down below at TGOTSOLE for sale, and the main page is just at TGOTSOLE. If you guys just want to follow me, check me out there. I'm more active on that one. Twitter at TGOTSOLE, eBay, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I think that about does it for this video. I'm out. Peace.